Well, hello out there and welcome to Surprise, Arizona. So we are in the community of Rancho Gabriella and we're going to take a minute and enjoy those jets from Luke Air Force Base. That is the sound of freedom. Love it. So if you're not familiar with Surprise, Arizona, we are close by to Luke Air Force Base, which is a wonderful military base out here in Arizona. We're close to the 303, the shopping center Façade, and this community borders the popular Marley Park. So this is a great area. The listing we're about to see is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just around 1,100 square feet. It's a great little home, remodeled kitchen. This community offers parks, walking paths. They just paved all the streets, so it's great if you're from the East Coast. New paved streets are always the best. Out here in Arizona, we don't have a lot of potholes, and if you know, then you know. We also have pretty low taxes, so if you aren't familiar with housing taxes out here in Arizona, they are below what you're probably used to if you're in one of the more expensive states. So if you are not familiar with an HOA community, a lot of Arizona you're going to have HOA, meaning there'll be monthly fees, monthly dues. Every community is different, fees are different. I've seen them range from $15 to $300 a month, depending on which community you're looking in. Rancho Gabriella is definitely a more lower priced HOA, under $100 a month. Nothing too crazy. This particular floor plan is a single story, great size backyard, remodeled kitchen, pretty move-in ready, and I'm super excited to show it to you. This home offers solar, so if you're looking to save a little bit with energy, this could be the one for you. And if you haven't done so already, please make sure you like, subscribe, share my channel. I'm always here to help. Okay, as we get ready to enter this beautiful home, it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, single story, large lot. It's just an amazing property out here in Surprise, Arizona. As you can see walking up, it is a neutral grayish tone color, Spanish style exterior with a security door. You do have a very large driveway, so this driveway could definitely fit about 4 cars. So you have a lot of parking, which is wonderful. I just love the aesthetic of these little homes. You don't see a lot of them, but when you do, it's super exciting. They are so cool with this front entry. Kind of makes you feel like a princess vibe walking in. The exterior of this home also has this really pretty brick aesthetic. So you get a little bit of fun on the outside. And as we enter in, you're going to have this amazing front entry. And again, super tall cathedral-like ceilings. An open space. As you enter, you'll see that the 2-car garage would be to the right of the entry door, which you comfortably can fit 2 cars in and still have room for storage. It does have that little lip in the back, so it's a little deeper, which is nice. You do have washer and dryer set up out here and gas hot water heater. So again, this home is just hitting the market. We are under $350,000. I'm going to let you guess the price on this bad boy. So this home has updated floor tiles throughout the wet areas, and we do have this open kitchen. Kitchen cabinets have all been updated with stainless steel appliances. What's wonderful about this kitchen are these glass doors. You also have this beautiful neutral backsplash and a quartz countertop. So home is definitely move-in ready. Opens right up to the family room. You have a lot of natural light. They have it set up so family areas this way. You do have space for dining also. This would be viewing from the kitchen area. And we are going to walk back to the master ensuite area, which is nice. It's private, it's by itself. And here you have this beautiful wood type flooring. King size bed fits in here. They do have a larger furniture, so you have a pretty good size room. Again, a lot of natural light in this house. The bathroom is adorable. You do have a tub shower combo. So for you that like to soak in the tub, there is space for you here. And of course, walk-in closet. As we exit back here, we will definitely check out the backyard next before heading into the secondaries. So this home does feature these amazing plantation shutters right here. And a very large glass sliding door, so you are basically bringing the outside in. Backyard has grass, which is wonderful. And it's a pretty deep backyard. A long wood covered patio for those barbecues. And definitely lots of privacy. So you only have a single-story home beside you, on both sides and behind you. So we are going to exhibit this yard. In Arizona, most yards aren't the biggest. This is a pretty good sized lot though. Could definitely do a lot back here. And again, just a super cute little home, little layout. Perfect for your first home, a second home, or maybe just a part-time home if you're just going to be here in the wonderful winters. We are getting ready to hit our beautiful season for the next 9 months. October to May, I want to say, is our favorite time of year out here. As we come back here, we're going to go into the secondary bathroom, where you have a stand-up shower and another sink set up right here with quartz countertops. And your 2 secondary bedrooms. So they're pretty good size. They have them set up as offices right now, but you do have good closet space. So a lot of room. And then the second bedroom. And again, they have a pretty big bed in here. So if you are looking in the Surprise area and you're looking for a great home, this could be the one for you. If you want more info, please make sure you comment below, subscribe, like, share my channel. We would gladly get you in here for a personal tour and any other information that you need. Hope you have an awesome day.